Hello everyone, myself Sumit, welcoming you to this video. My dear students, we have been looking about the lesson, the best Christmas lesson in the world, and we have completed 3 videos over this lesson. And today we continue with the 4th video over this lesson. So let us see in the 4th video and let us continue with the lesson. Okay. My dear students, we are dealing with the second part of the story. Okay, second part of the story. There are first part of the story we have seen in the second video, and second part of the story we have started in the third video. And today in the 4th video, we will see the rest of the lesson of second part of this story. Okay, and in the previous video we have seen till this much. Here we had stopped in the previous video, if you remember. Okay, यहाँ पे हम स्टॉप किए थे ये लेटर पढ़ना, या फिर ये सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द लेसन क्या बोलता है कि ये जो जेम्स ने जो लेटर लिखा था अपने पत्नी को, वही लेटर हम पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या लिखा था उन्होंने। तो उसके ऊपर हमने और एक वीडियो ऑलरेडी बना चुके हैं, और इस वीडियो में वही लेटर में आगे क्या लिखा हुआ था। तो हम देखते हैं प्रीवियस वीडियो में हम क्या देखा था कि ये दोनों सोल्जर्स थे। ओके, दोनों कंट्रीज के सोल्जर्स से वो दोनों के दोनों क्या किए, एक बॉर्डर अपना अपना बॉर्डर लाइंस पे आकर खड़ा हो गए। वही बीच ये दोनों कंट्री का कैप्टन का मुलाकात हो जाता है। जर्मन सोल्जर्स के कैप्टन कौन है, हैंस वुल्फ, और ब्रिटिश सोल्जर्स के कैप्टन कौन है, मिस्टर जिम मैकफर्सन। ओके, इन दोनों का मुलाकात हो जाता है और एक दूसरे को वो इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं। ओके, एंड लेट अस सी एंड कंटिन्यू विद दिस in this video, and let us see and read this text. Now, when the Mr. James, or the captain of British, told that he was a school teacher from Dorset, okay, in west of England. Okay, now, oh, Dorset is mine. Okay, now when he told himself, introduced himself, then the German's captain, who Hans Wohl, smiled. Oh, Dorset. Okay, Dorset बताया तो वो Dorset से है यार. Okay, I know this place, and the Germans Hans Wohl also says, I know this place, Dorset. I know about this Dorset. I know it very well. Okay, we shared my Graham Russell and his excellent sausage. Okay, now the Hans Wohl says that Dorset में मुझे पता है ये Dorset में बहुत अच्छी तरह से ये Dorset के बारे में जानता हूँ। ओके, इसे बोलकर वो दोनों बैठ गए साथ में, एंड वी शेयर माय राम। ओके, व्हाट इज दैट राम? इट इज आल्सो ए ड्रिंक। ओके, दिस इज आल्सो ए ड्रिंक। ओके, राम रशन एंड हिज एक्सीलेंट सॉसेज। ओके, किसका सॉसेज है? ये जर्मन हैंस वुल्फ का सॉसेज है। और किसका? राम रशन है ब्रिटिश जेम्स मैकफर्सन का। Okay, both of them are sharing with each other. And we talked, Connie, how we talked. He spoke almost perfect English. Okay, now he says in the letter to his wife, we talked, Connie. Okay, we talked both of us. Okay, both of us talked together, sat together, drank together, and we talked. How we talked, I don't know, but we talked very nicely. And that man also talking very good English. Who? The Hans Wohl also was talking very good English. He says perfect English. But it turned out that he had never set foot in Dorset. Okay, never even been to England. Okay, but what to do when he introduced himself and told, I am from Dorset and I am a school teacher in Dorset. Then Hans Wohl, what he told? Oh, Dorset, I know it well. Okay, मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से डॉर्सेट को जानता हूँ। कौन बोला? हैंस वुल्फ ने बोला। पर सच में क्या था कि ये हैंस वुल्फ डॉर्सेट कभी गया ही नहीं था, और वो इंग्लैंड भी कभी गया ही नहीं था अपना जिंदगी में। तो फिर क्यों उसने बोला कि मैं डॉर्सेट के बारे में अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ? देखते। He had learned all he knew of England from school and from reading books in English. Okay, now what happened about England? He had never gone to, Hans Woolf had never gone to England, but he has read in the book. Okay, He has read in the book about England and about Dorset. Therefore, he told that I know about Dorset very nicely. He has not gone to Dorset, but he has read in the book. Okay. His favorite writer was Thomas Hardy. Okay. His favorite book Far from the Muddy Crowd. Okay. Far from the Muddy Crowd. Okay. Now his favorite was हैंसुल का फेवरेट राइटर कौन है? थॉमस हार्डे है. और उसका फेवरेट बुक कौन है? Far from the Muddy Crowd. So out there in no man's land, we talked of Bathsheba and Gabriel, Oak and Sergeant. Okay. Now, so out there in no man's land, so they met in the no man's land, and they have sat together. We can say they are drinking, sharing all the drinks, all the sausage, everything, and they are talking with each other, and they are talking about the topic on Bathsheba and Gabriel, Oak, okay, and Sergeant. He said Sergeant Troy and Dorset. ये सारे प्लेस के बारे में, ये सारे जगहों के बारे में वो दोनों के दोनों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं अभी. He had a wife and one son, okay, born just 6 months ago. And Hans Wolf had a wife and he has a son, and that son was born just 6 months before. Okay, वो छोटा सा लड़का था हैंसुल्फ का, और वो छोटा सा लड़का का एज कितना था? जस्ट 6 months only. He had a wife and one son born just 6 months ago. As I looked about me, there were huddles of khaki and grey everywhere, all over no man's land, smoking, laughing, talking, drinking, eating. Okay. Now, as I looked about me, okay, जब उन्होंने देखा अपने तरफ, okay, अपने तरफ, अपने लोगों की तरफ उसने देखा, अपना सोल्जर्स के साइड में देखा, तो क्या कर रहे हैं सबके सब? सभी खाकी लोग, मतलब खाकी लोग और ग्रे कोट में, या फिर ग्रे कोट के लोग, या फिर दोनों कंट्री के सोल्जर्स एक साथ बैठकर क्या कर रहे हैं? ड्रिंक, कोई तो स्मोकिंग कर रहा है, कोई टॉकिंग कर रहा है, कोई ड्रिंकिंग कर रहा है, और अपने अपने मजे ले रहे हैं वहां पे. कहां पे? नो मैन्स लैंड में. Then Hans Wolf and I shared what was left of your wonderful Christmas cake, Connie. Okay. Now, and he also says that myself and Hans Wolf. Okay. What happened? We both of us also enjoyed the wonderful cake that you had sent for me, the Christmas cake, my dear Connie. Okay. कॉनी ने या फिर उसका वाइफ ने उसके लिए केक भी भेजी थी, और उसी केक को दोनों मिलकर खा रहे हैं. वंडरफुल केक, द क्रिसमस केक. ओके, एंड दैट ही इज मेंशनिंग इन हिज लेटर. He thought the marzipan was the best he had ever tasted. Okay, I agree. Okay, now this is one of the creamy cake. Okay, marzipan. It is one of the creamy cake. Okay. And what he says, he thought the marzipan was the best he had ever tasted. And Hans also told about the cake. He tasted the cake and he said that this marzipan cake is one of the best cake that I have ever tasted in my life. Okay, and I agree. And who Mr. Jim also agreed with that. We agreed about everything, and he was my enemy. There never was a Christmas party like it, Connie. Okay, and we agreed about everything, and both of them, whatever they talked, whatever they discussed, okay, they both of them agreed with. But after all, both of them were the enemies of each other. You see, both the enemies are coming together and celebrating and talking each other, and it was a very great thing, very surprising, my dear Connie. Okay, like it, Connie. There never was a Christmas party like it, Connie. Both enemies, how can they celebrate? But it was a surprise for them, and it was a great thing for them. Both the enemies are coming together and trying to make peace between the world. Then someone, I don't know who, brought out a football. Okay, great court were dumped in piles to make goalpost, and the next thing we knew it was Tommy against Freeze out in the middle of no man's land. Okay, now who knows? While they are drinking, talking, smoking, eating, all these things are going on. Then all of a sudden, somebody brought a football. Okay, somebody brought a football there, and they removed the braces. Okay, they removed the braces, and with that braces, they are dumping the braces and making the goal post for the football. Means now they will play the football after drinking and enjoying everything. They will play football match, and this was against the Tommy and the Fritz. और ये football match किसके किसके साथ था? वो दोनों country के soldiers के साथ था. Okay, Fritz and Tommy means Germany and British के साथ. Okay, they will play against each other the football. Hans, okay, Hans-Ulf and I looked on and cheer, clapping our hands and stamping our feet to keep out the cold as much as anything. Okay, now you know it is on the 25th December in the morning. It is taking place. So in the morning, how cold it is in the month of December, you know. Okay, so now when the soldiers are playing football, this Hans-Ulf and who the Mr. James McPherson are trying to encourage them, cheer them, okay, and they are clapping for them. And together with that, they are stamping their feet also in order to keep their body warm because it is very cold. Okay. Then there was a moment when I noticed our what is that? Our breath mingling in the air between us. Okay, he saw it too and smiled. Okay, James McPherson, he said after a while, I think this is how we should resolve this war. Okay, now what happened? There was a moment, there was a time when they are feeling that, okay, how nice both the soldiers are coming together, how beautiful both the countries are coming together and trying to make peace and not war, and how nice it was. Okay, and now they are mingling. Okay, breaths mingling into the air between. Okay, how they are breaths mingling? Now both the soldiers do not know. Okay, they are not able to know, or they don't see their enemy as an enemy, but they are seeing their enemy as a friend, and they mingle together. Okay, mixed up together and playing football very nicely. That means what does it associate? Brotherly, okay, brotherhood and love is seen here. Okay, and that is what both of them also wanted: love, not the war. Okay, now mingling here between, he saw it too and smiled. He also saw that the Hans-Ulf also saw that both the soldiers are playing football and how they mingle with each other. Okay, James McPherson, he said after a while, I think this is how we should solve this war. And he says, Hans-Ulf also said, this is how we should solve this war. Which war? The First World War. Not with war, but with love we should solve. With our consent, with our understanding, okay, with the compromise we should solve this war. Okay, a football match. Okay, this war a football match. How they should stop their war, or how they should conclude their war? With a football match, like not with a gun and not with the rifles and not with any other instrument which harms the people very badly, which kills the people also. Then no one dies in a football match. No children are orphaned. No wives become widows. Okay, and they are comparing in the war and the football match. In the war, what happened? Many soldiers died, and because of the soldiers dying, their wife, their children become orphan and widow. But in the football match, what happens? They are not going to die. So if they are not dying, nobody becomes orphan and no wife become widow. Okay, so they are trying to solve this war with the war like the football match. Okay. I have prepared cricket. I told him. Okay, now what happens? The Jim is telling that I have prepared क्रिकेट. मुझे क्या पसंद था, मैंने क्या प्रीफर किया था या फिर क्या ऑप्शन दिया था, मैंने क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए मैं बोला था. I told him. then we Tommys could be sure of winning probably. Okay then अगर हम अगर हम ब्रिटिश क्रिकेट खेलेंगे तो हम क्रिकेट में पक्का जीत सकते थे, इसलिए मैंने क्या बोला था कि क्रिकेट खेलेंगे बोलकर, पर उन्होंने क्या, जर्मन लोगों ने क्या किया कि फुटबॉल खेलेंगे बोलकर और फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. We laughed at that and together we watched the game. Okay, sad to say. Okay, now we laughed at that. Okay, both of them are laughing. Both of them are talking. Okay, and looking like a football match and laughing, talking and enjoying the match. And what happened? Both of them are watching together and laughing, talking, and then it is sad to say. What is sad to say? Let us see. He says in the letter, or he mentions in the letter, it is sad to say what? Connie Frisch won 2-1. Okay, it is sad to say, Connie, that these German people won the match. Which match? The football match. Okay, 2-1. They gave the 2 goals and we gave only 1. So they won by 1 goal. But as Hans Wolf generously said, our goal was wider than theirs. So it wasn't quite fair. Okay. Now what happens? The Hans Wolf also says that generously. Okay, generously मतलब very kindly he says that our goal was wider than. Okay, आपका जो गोल किया था वो बहुत अच्छा था, हमारा गोल से आपका गोल अच्छा था. Okay, how it is? Who knows? Maybe this when they made the goal, they through the passing and all these things they made the goal. Maybe this man who the Germans directly made the goal. So there, what is that? When we pass to the other person, then it is considering that the unity is seen. When somebody alone takes the ball and makes a goal, then there is no unity. So that way he said that our goal was wider than theirs. Okay, our goal was wider than theirs. मतलब ब्रिटिश का गोल जो था वो बहुत अच्छा था उनके गोल से. The time came and all too soon when the game was finished. The Shehnaz and the ram and the sausage had long since ran out, and we knew it was all over. Okay, now the time came and the match also got over because the Germany won and the match is over. Now everything was over there. Now their dreams also is finished. Their Shehnaz also is finished. Their rams also is over, and their sausage also is over. Okay, everything was over, and they also knew that everything is over. Means all the celebration is over. Now we have to get back to our positions, get back to our work again, and they are feeling very sad. I wish Hans well, okay, and told him I hoped he would see his family again soon, that the fighting would end and we could all go home. Okay, now I wish Hans well. Okay, मैंने हैंस को या फिर हैंस को क्या विश किया कि बहुत जल्द हम क्या करेंगे, हमको छुट्टी मिलेगी या फिर हमारा ये जो जंग है, हमारा ये जो लड़ाई है वो खत्म हो जाएगा और हम हमारे परिवार को या फिर हमारे फैमिली को हम देख सकेंगे फिर से और बहुत जल्द हम देख पाएंगे. ओके, I think that is what every soldier wants on both sides, Hans Wolf said. Okay, and Hans Wolf also said what he said. I think that is what all the soldiers want. Okay, both sides, दोनों साइड का सोल्जर वही चाहते हैं कि ये जो जंग है, ये जो लड़ाई है वो खत्म हो जाए और हम अपना घर जाकर हमारे परिवार लोगों से मिल सकेंगे. Everybody wants that. And who says that? Hans Wolf is telling. Take care, James McPherson. I shall never forget this moment, nor you. Okay, he saluted and walked away from me slowly. Unwillingly, I failed. Okay, then he told who? The Hans Wolf told that, take care. Okay, James McPherson. खुद का ख्याल रखो. I shall never forget this moment. And he also says that I will not forget this moment, this time that we met together. Okay, we smoked, drank, and talked together and shared together everything. And this moment I will never forget. And nor you forget about this. अब मैं भूल नहीं पाऊंगा और अब भी भूल नहीं पाएंगे. He saluted and walked away from me slowly. Unwillingly I felt. Okay, and he saluted. The Hans Wolf saluted him and walked away slowly from there. And that was unwillingly. मतलब उसको जाने का इच्छा नहीं था. इस प्रकार का फीलिंग और इसे किसको लगता है? जेम्स को लगता है कि ये हैंस वुल्फ का जाने का इच्छा नहीं था, फिर भी वो स्लोली वॉकिंग करके वहां से चला जाता है. He turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey-coated men drifting back towards their trenches. Okay, he turned a wave just once and then became one of the hundreds. Okay, what is that? Turned a wave. Okay, he turned a wave and he told hi and bye bye, and then he was mixed with the hundreds of coated. या फिर वो अपना जर्मन सोल्जर्स के वहां पे मिक्स हो गए और अपना ट्रेंच में वो वापस चले गए. Okay, everybody went into their own trenches. That night, back in our dugouts, we heard them singing a carol and singing it quite. That night, back in our dugouts, we heard them singing a carol and singing it quite beautifully. And that night, on 25th December, and that night, after celebrating everything in the border or in the no man's land, they went to their trenches, and on that night, these German soldiers are singing carol, and they are singing the beautiful songs. Okay, beautifully they are singing that carol. Carol is what? It is the Christmas song, and dugout is what? Here you can see that it is a shelter for the soldiers made by digging holes in the ground and covering it. Okay. It was stilly notched silent night. Our boys gave them a rousing chorus of wild shepherds was. Okay, now they are singing the song, they are singing the carol. What was the carol? What was the song name? Stilly notched silent night. And our boys or our soldiers, okay, they are also replying the chorus or giving the rousing chorus what? Wild shepherds was. Okay. We exchanged carols for a while and then we all fell silent. And for timing or for sometimes they also exchange this carol. Okay, both of them exchange this carol. Once the German soldiers sing this one and the British soldiers sing, and then sometimes they are exchanging into this one. Okay, we had our time of peace and goodwill, a time I will treasure as long as I live. And on that day they had the time of peace. Okay, they had the time of peace and goodwill, and this was the time that I will never forget, and I will keep in my mind, and I will remember this time as long as I live. Who says? Mr. James says in his letter to his wife. Dear Scotty, by Christmas time next year, this war will be nothing but a distant and terrible memory. And he also mentioned, or he also tells to his wife in the letter that this war or this first world war will be nothing by next December. Okay, and it will be ended, and it will be nothing but it will be a distant and terrible memory. ये सिर्फ एक यादगार ही रहेगा. I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. Okay, and whatever happened today, from there I came to know that what the soldiers want. Okay, what both the armies want. Okay, दोनों countries के soldiers, दोनों countries के सैनिक क्या चाहते हैं वो मुझे पता चल गया. ओके, और सभी कंट्रीज की आर्मी या फिर दोनों कंट्रीज के आर्मी क्या चाहते हैं कि पीस चाहते हैं, वार नहीं. We shall be together again soon, I am sure of it. And he says, or the last word of it in the letter he writes that we shall be together again. Okay, I am sure, and we will be soon meeting again. हम बहुत जल्द दोनों एक साथ रहेंगे, और मैं वो गारंटी देकर कहता हूँ. And he writes at the end of the letter, or the concluding part of the letter is your loving James. Okay, your loving James. Okay, my dear students, with this we here complete the letter of the Mr. James Macpherson to his wife Mrs. James Macpherson, and how beautifully the letter was written by him from the border in 1926. In 26 December. Okay, so we shall continue with this chapter in the next video.